Hey, welcome back to the shop. It's really good to see you here again. Hey, remember me? Yeah, well, welcome back to the shop. I just thought I'd give you a quick update on what's going on out here because it's been a little while since I've been able to crank out a video. Right around Thanksgiving, I think, was my last one that I had come out. And shortly after that, I got not one, but two colds in a row. I know, it was awful. One of them wiped out my voice. Can you imagine me without a voice? Hey, come on now. All right, be nice. Anyways, so I've been kind of out of action for a while. Then we had the holidays, Christmas, and all that kind of stuff. So I was kind of occupied with that. But now I'm back out in the shop and I'm continuing to work on a couple of different things that I have been working on. One of them is right back here. You can see all these different airplanes that I've got hanging up. I'm continuing to pull the airplane stuff out of my storage unit and bring it here and find it a home. Part of that is I built a rack for fuselages that are not done or not started, and they're back over in the corner over there. And then the other thing I've done is I've started building more of these because when they're finished, I want to be able to hang all of my finished fuselages up on the ceiling. And so at some point I'm going to put together a video about how these racks that I make are. They're based on a lumber rack that I bought several years ago, and now I just can't find them for a decent price. So I thought, what the heck, I'll just start building my own out of PVC. And so I'll show you how I do that and the different dimensions on the ones that I'm using for the size planes that I'm using. I'll share that information with you as well. And then there's something else I've been working on, and that has been my Rosie the Rocketer. Here, let me go ahead and show you. She's sitting on the bench here. Okay, she is all done, and she has been actually maidened. And I'm working right now on through dialing it in after the maiden, and that's something that maybe we should talk about a little bit. But the radio setting in it and all that kind of stuff. Plus, this one was kind of special. It had some balance issues that affected its flight. And, you know, it's that kind of stuff when you're building and flying a brand new airplane. There's a lot to it. And so, anyways, I'll try to go through that in the video as well so that I can kind of get you up to speed on what it takes to get a plane flyable and to your liking. Probably going to also talk a little bit more about the radio system I use, which is the FR Sky Tandem 18. Really like the system, really like their products, and so we'll probably talk a little bit about those too. But anyways, I just wanted to get you a quick update on what's going on in the shop, and hopefully start getting some more videos out to you as time is going on. Having a great time building airplanes and getting ready. We're in winter time now, so the days that we have to fly are very limited. Right now we've had a lot of snow and ice and just cold weather. So it's a good time to be in the shop and building a plane. And that's building a plane or also tuning up the shop as well. That's what we'll be doing for a little bit here. So anyways, good to talk to you again. And if you have any questions or anything, please leave me a comment down below. I go through my comments every single day to try to find an answer for some of them. Some of them are not answerable, or at least I don't know very much about them, and I'll let you know that because, you know, I don't know everything. I mean, well, don't tell my wife that. Anyways, I will talk to you later on. Goodbye.